Hey there, welcome to another video. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many M3 MacBook Pro users might encounter when upgrading their computers. So the problem we are discussing today revolves around the sharing extensions of third-party apps not showing up in the Share menu after using Migration Assistant to transfer data to the new MacBook Pro. Frustrating, right? Even after trying the usual tricks like reinstalling the apps and running terminal commands, the sharing extensions still refuse to make an appearance. But fear not, we have a solution for you. In the solution to this pesky problem, all you need to do is open your system settings, search for Share, click on Extensions, and then select Added Extensions. Once there, make sure to check the boxes next to the extensions that you need. It's as simple as that. By ensuring that the necessary extensions are enabled in the system settings, you should be able to see them pop up in the Share menu like they're supposed to. Problem solved. To wrap things up, just remember that if you're facing issues with third-party sharing extensions not showing up in the Share menu on your M3 MacBook Pro, the solution lies in checking and enabling the extensions in the system settings. It's a quick and easy fix that can save you a lot of headache. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sharing.